Even Payyada, what Divya Kasturi ma'am also saying, normally myself and VAK are both the people are against to that. Payyada people are there convenient taking from Anupallavi, but we are dead against to that. Whenever you are having a Pallavi, Anupallavi and Charanam, you have to start with Pallavi only.
Even that's your Uru Lavamli Made problem tane varthu.
Adu tappu pannakoodadunu venna. Because Pallavi is having its own detail. It tells some, because IIO means it's a alas. The alas means, see, it is not only based on loss, not only based on the sorrow, but also in the excitement you can say IIO. Unless and otherwise, if you are not able to establish that IIO belongs in what category, then only you can understand the Anupallavi. Kamban used the IIO in a very good sense. In a happier sense, Kamban used. அந்த பாட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். எய்யோன் வழி நீதி சோதியில் மறைய பொய்யோ எனும் இளையானோடும் இடையானோடும் போனார் மையோ மறிகடலோ மரகதமோ மழை முகிலோ ஐயோ இவன் அழகு அழிக்கவன அழகன். ஐயோ இவன் அழகு. So ஐயோ means அந்த எக்ஸைட்டட். நம்ம ஒரு சினிமா பாக்குறோம், பார்த்தோன்னா ஐயோ கொன்னுட்டான் அப்படின்னு. It means he acted well or she acted well, that's all. அந்த இடத்துல ஐயோன்றது அலாஸ் இல்ல. It is not a loss, it is over excitement.
But sir, if you want to establish the IO in context, want the people who do it in start from Anupallavi argue that is exactly why we are doing Anupallavi and then putting the IO. Because if you start with IO, the audience will not know which IO.
No, you have to tell the IO what type of IO. That is your skill. While you are going to do the IO, right from that IO, you have to tell this IO belongs to this category. Then, because that fellow used to pull my davani and used to slip on my breast. So, that is a Shringara IO. Even in the near opposite Taraila varum Ramayanathila. She used to say, by way of seeing the Vali's dead body, Vali or the dead body, I used to sleep on his shoulder every day. So Tara used to sleep on the shoulder of Valia. She is not supposed to sleep on a pillow. Vali inuடைய shoulder na avadukku pillow. Varaisher tolidai naalum vaiguve Karaishera idar ellai kandile. Now I am not able to see where my sorrows. There is the deadline for my sorrows. I am not able to see the boundary. Uraisher aru ire en ullame. Why you are not able to talk to me? Enmayin unam yaviyo. What the misunderstanding you are having with me? Come on, talk. So she is talking to the dead body. So in that way, and the heroine, he used to sleep on my breast. Ayyo, that pleasure I am not able to reach. Ayyo, I love that. So you have to establish the Pallavi first. So people normally, even if idhula solluvaalla kalyana veetla vandu alaipaayide paadasona yosippa ellarum. அதனால என்ன பண்ணுவான்னாக்க உன் ஆனந்த மோகன வேணு காண மதில் அலைப்பாயுதேன்னு ஆரம்பிக்கும். ஏன்னா கல்யாண சத்திரத்திலயோ கல்யாண வீட்டுல அலைப்பாயுதேன்னு பாடக்கூடாது. அது ஒரு ஆஸ்பீஷியஸான வேர்டு கிடையாது. இந்த ஆஸ்பீஷியஸா வேர்டு இல்லைன்னா ஊத்துக்காடு எழுதியிருப்பாரு. How it is possible for you to say ஊத்துக்காடு has not written auspiciously? Then பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமா இருக்கு. You are talking about Krishna. Once you are going to talk about Krishna, there comes the inauspicious. It is auspicious. You must have that belief. You are talking about Krishna. You are not talking about the another person. Whenever you are going to talk and whatever the subject matter you are going to talk with Krishna, it is auspicious. அது கன்ஃபார்மா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். கடவுளை எப்ப வேணா கூப்பிடலாம், எங்க வேணா கூப்பிடலாம்.
Could it be that Anupallavi is more like a question and Pallavi is like an answer?
No, for example, I'll tell you one thing. if you want to get into the temple, you have to come in the main gate. Don't try to come to the back door.
So
Once you, that's a very simple example I used to say. Once you get into the temple, just to go to the Gopura Darsanam, that is the Pallavi, then come to the Nadai Anupallavi, go to the shrine, finally Charana.
So even as far as Yaro Ivar Yaro is concerned, I think that Pallavi of Yaro Ivar Yaro gives a sense of curiosity. இது யாருங்கிறது அதுக்கப்புறம் அனுப்பல்லவி ஆன்சர் பண்ணத it becomes
இல்ல அதுல வேர்டிங் கம்பன் because Ramanadaga Kirtanai totally taken from Kamban's work. He himself says, in the morning also we discussed about it. அதுல என்ன அர்த்தம்னா ஒரிஜினல் கம்பன் சாங் என்னன்னாக்க Kamban says, once they left the Parkadal as Narayana, as Lakshmi, now only they are meeting. So Rama is having the doubt, is that Lakshmi is standing there? That is the question he is having. So because the Rama and Lakshma, Rama and Sita in Ramayana, but originally they are Narayana and Mahalakshmi. Right? So they left the Parkadal long back. Now they are seeing, for many years they have not met. So he is thinking of Mahalakshmi and seeing that Sita, Yaro Ivar Yaro, is that Mahalakshmi is Sita here? So that importance the Arunachalagi wanted to give. So don't go to the Anupallavi. So the Pallavi tells a lot and lot more of stories. Pallavi is having its own strength. அதனாலதான் பல்லவியில தான் நம்மால நிறைய 8 முறை 10 முறை பாடி சஞ்சாரம் பண்ண வைக்க முடியறதே அதனாலதான். பல்லவி ஒரு 15 முறை பாடுற வாழும் இருக்கா, 20 முறை பாடுற வாழும் இருக்கா. Because we are having a lot and lot more of scope to expand the Pallavi. அனுபல்லவி அப்படி பண்ண முடியாது. அனுபல்லவி ஸ்டெப் டவுன் ஆயிடுறது. ஒரு பெரிய ப்ராடர் ஏரியால இருந்து ஒரு அவென்யூக்குள்ள ஸ்டெப் டவுன் ஆகுது. அந்த அவென்யூக்குள்ள ஸ்டெப் டவுன் ஆகி சரணத்துல ஒவ்வொரு வீடா சொல்லிட்டு போறேன். அதுக்குதான் I used to tell, if you want to get into the temple, straight away come to the main entrance. Use the Nadai and Prakaram and finally come to the shrine. That is the way how you have to see the God. Being a VIP, don't come in the shortcut.
And also that entire journey of, progressing towards
Exactly.
God gives you the time to come to the Sanctum Sanctorium.
Yeah, exactly.
Shortcuts never work, no sir.
You may be a VIP, but don't use the shortcut in that. ரொம்ப அழகா இன்சிஸ்ட் பண்ணுவேன். எல்லாருமே இப்ப லேட்டஸ்ட் ட்ரெண்ட் அப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காம அப்படி எல்லாம் அப்படி later on the eminent, some of the scholars and eminents, they started to do for their convenient from Anupallavi. They wanted to prove it is their own style. Later on, what it happened, everyone started to follow it. Normally, you are not supposed to do it. A thumb rule grammar is there. Pallavi means it tells something. It is a step down deduction theory. In Pallavi, you are talking, for example, you are going to talk about Lord Krishna. In Pallavi, you are going to talk about the Krishna's entire characters. In Anupallavi, you want to step down in one particular character. In Charanam, you want to embellish that particular character in Charanam. Then you are completing the song. That is the purpose. The Krishna is having lot many characters. He may be having compassion, he is having a valor, he is having powerful statesmanship, he is the man of telling Gita. Whatever the thing you want to tell in Pallavi, all the qualities you can tell in Pallavi. While you are coming down to the Anupallavi, you have to step down. I'm going to talk about only one aspect of him. Why, in Charanam you are giving the answer. So this is the reason how it is constructed.